Here are the three of the kartelya ng Katipunan. Number 1 is buhayan ay isang malaking kayamanan na dapat palagaan at dapat gawing mabuti at malayang magagamit. Life is a great treasure that must be cherished and it should be used well and freely. Ang pangalawa ay ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika ay higit pa sa malansang isda. Those who do not love their own language are worse than a poultry fish. Number 3 is ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakating sa paruroonan. Those who do not know how to look back to where they came from will never reach the destination. Out of 3 principles, let's use the first one, relate in the current situation. Ang kabuhayan ay isang malaking kayamanan na dapat palagahan at dapat gawing mabuti at malayang magagamit. In the current situation, the COVID-19 pandemic is reminded of the preciousness of life and the need to value and protect it. The principle from the kartelya ng Katipunan emphasize the importance of valuing life is a great treasure. It reminds us that life should be cherished and we have